Is your Ring doorbell working outside but not ringing inside your home? Let's fix it in 90 seconds. This issue is usually caused by incorrect chime settings, wiring mismatch, or low transformer voltage. First, open the Ring app and check indoor chime settings under Device Settings. Make sure your doorbell chime is compatible. Check whether it's mechanical or digital. Now check transformer voltage. Ring doorbells usually require 16 to 24 volts.
Best products to fix Ring doorbell chime issues. Recommended. Links are in description.
Inspect the chime kit wiring carefully. Loose or incorrect wiring can stop indoor ringing completely. Finally, restart your Ring device and sync the app again. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more smart home and CCTV troubleshooting videos.